What's good, y'all? Back with another video, and as y'all can see, we are adding another mod to the Alpha. So we're gonna try to install this. I watched a couple videos, see how they do it. I know it's right here, so which is pretty easy and accessible. They said honestly like 5 minutes to install. You just basically punch that out, throw it in to this one, and then connect this one back into the old one. And yeah, so right now I'm just letting the car just so it won't have any power and won't cause any check engine lights or whatnot like that. So let me wait for a little bit. I'm gonna catch y'all when I got everything. Also, another thing, this did come, the package is inside, but it did come with mounting tape, I believe. And I could put it there, but I'm going to go get basically a holder so I could put it here and see it. Or I could just Bluetooth connect it. It really all depends. I'm gonna just connect it first to see. And then I'm probably going to run it under here because it's a little space to run it under there, and it won't be in the way of my foot. And yeah, y'all. So I think this is good. I'm about to install it, see how it does. Hopefully no engine lights, please, Jesus. Yeah. All right, so I got it installed. I said that so weird. I got it installed, bro. I got it installed basically, and I ran it right under here because it's like a little opening, if you can see it, so that it's not in the way, and it's here. And then I'm gonna run it. I'm gonna put it, honestly, run it like this. Run it like this and have it there. But we'll see. So let me go get the key. Also, another thing to mention is I left my key about 30 feet, 40 feet away from the car while I was doing this. Just so that, you know, if anything, it's good. And yeah, let me go get the key to see if it works. But no power went to it, so that's a good sign. You never want anything, no power or anything like that. So it worked. No cold thrown. Turn it on like that. See? Perfect. So you turn it off like that. I'm about to connect it to Bluetooth. I believe you gotta hold this and then it'll pair. And yeah, y'all, so it worked. Simple install. I ran it through here. You can't really see it. And then I'll run it through here. You can't see it. So yeah, and then I'm gonna do a test drive, see how that goes. All right, y'all, so we're gonna try it out. Hopefully it worked. We have it right here. So right now it's off because I want to see the difference. Well, no. Right now, honestly, I'm going to cruise because I don't want to just throw it. I'm gonna cruise first. Like, cause my car already tuned. Or no, it's stock. It's already a little juiced up. So yeah, we're gonna see though, y'all. I don't know. Hopefully. So right now it's pre-test. I'm just driving around getting some miles in, so that it's not just automatically. Right now it is off. I'm normal driving. This is the car without it because my car feels amazing as always. Must have happened. We're gonna turn the other way. turned it to eco mode. I stopped and I turned it on first because I didn't want to. They say do not do it while the car is moving, and put it in park just so that you're not throwing two codes at your throttle. And because I think it'll throw it in limp mode, I'm not 100% sure, but yeah, just who wants to cross two codes? But first initial response, honestly, it feels good in eco. I turned it up for eco all the way up. It feels really good. Honestly, it's not. It's funny. I know this is the lowest setting, but it's I already automatically feel a slight difference as far as lag. Like, yeah, it's not. It doesn't. Yeah, it doesn't drag. Yeah, it doesn't drag. That's crazy. Like, I can feel the... Yeah, whoa, that's cool. That's cool. Okay, so that's eco. All right, y'all, so we're gonna throw it in sport now. See what it's talking about first of all. Hold on, I gotta put my maps in. Let me see. I'm gonna go this way. Oh, I forgot to change the damn setting. So I'm in eco mode right now. I can already feel it. So I'm gonna throw it in normal with sport. All the way turned up. We'll see. Oh yeah, it's way more jerk. Oh shoot. I mean, whoa. Whoa. Oh yeah. Yeah. I don't know what they put in this damn. Oh yeah. And that was me hitting quarter. I didn't even fully press on the gas. That's just me tapping it. Wow. That really, I don't even want to say it really woke the car up. It just made all my mods better. Because the car is already woken up, but it just made everything 10 times better. Actually, I feel like if I throw this in race mode, full race mode, dynamic, everything, this is gonna be uncontrollable. So we're gonna see. Oh, look at the kids, boy. School of Little Angels. Yeah, y'all, so this, so far, fire. Definitely recommend. Definitely recommend. I have to go slow here because this is a busy intersection. Yeah. Oh yeah. Picks up quick. And I'm not even pressing the gas like that. That's crazy. This is just sport. That's crazy. Woo! Woo! That's crazy. That's so much fun. And that's just sport. Yeah, bro. They got it, bro. Yeah. okay, Madness know what they was doing. I'm gonna say the race for a whole different video. So I appreciate y'all, cause I just wanted to get a little introduction. I want to drive the car a little bit more. I don't want to throw anything, so I like to take care of what's mine. But yeah, y'all, appreciate you guys all for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Man, this has been real. It's been real, y'all. Peace.
Hate me or love me, you watched. That's all you could do. Thank you.